Hello everyone, today's unboxing called Realize Winter Miracle Limited Edition. And this limited edition box is a hard case and shining reflector cover, and a surface have good pictures, and backside is writing. Oh, okay. Writing about some information, and hardcover too. So next, inside of the limited edition, first this one is a PlayStation 4's games called Realize Winter Miracle, and the next one is a character card, 8 character card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and return to 8 and return to 1. Okay. And backside writing profile of the characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then more inside of the limited editions. Then those are characters pictures, but I already opened this one. This one is a Lupin. I don't know how to say in English sound, but just look backside. This one, this character's surface is like character's pictures, and backside have some stuff inside, and this circle using for this picture, and make a character stand like this. That's it. So cute, isn't it? So today I unboxing limited versions called Realize Winter Miracle limited editions. So I hope you like it. Good night.